social media storm is brewing after TikTok influencer Habib Amzad, better known as Peller, criticized the Nigerians participating in the viral 30-day Rant challenge. His comments sparked heated debates online, with many Nigerians calling him out for attempting to silence frustrated citizens. The 30-day Rant challenge, started by an NYC member, Uche Ugwamayu, who encourages Nigerians to express their frustrations about the economic hardship in the country. Many Nigerians have joined the trend to vent about inflation, hardship, and government policies. However, in a viral video, Peller warned against the challenge, arguing that it could lead to the government banning TikTok in Nigeria. He suggested that protesters take their grievances elsewhere, saying, "If you really want to rant, go to Instagram, go to the market, don't rant here on TikTok. If they ban TikTok, that is where we will have issues."
Maybe they post ranting, and you people too. We are dulling this. We are posting ranting. Let's post on Instagram. The one we are posting on TikTok is okay. Let's go Instagram too. Maybe they post ranting for there. And because if other governments, yes, now one now post, they call that TikTok. Now that place, they rant on us. They will say, make the party TikTok. If they can't, they can come back to TikTok. See, they come back to TikTok. If anything happen to TikTok, may nothing do TikTok.
Peller's comment drew a sharp reaction from NaijaNews, the lawyer of the controversial social media personality and activist, Very Dark Man, VDM. NaijaNews fired back, questioning Peller's authority to dictate how Nigerians express their frustrations, asking if TikTok is his father's house. NaijaNews' response ignited further discussions. Popular music video director TG Omori also weighed in, calling Peller just a boy, while another user commented, "Getting famous without education is the reason we have Peller and Portable as celebrities." Despite the ongoing debate, Peller has not issued a formal apology or clarification. Some agree that social media should remain a space for free expression, while others defended Peller's concerns about potential restrictions on TikTok. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.